Well, hey there, John from Big Dreams Travel, and got a room tour for you here today from our room at the Majestic Elegance Resort, Costa Mujeres, here in the Cancun area. This is going to be a tour of a Junior Suite Beachfront room, and it's also a room with an outdoor jacuzzi, as a lot of the rooms here at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres have. So let's go on a tour here of our Junior Beachfront room. All right, so here is our door in our room here at the Majestic Elegance, and I will start kind of with this entry area here. One nice feature about these rooms is they have a little cubby that you can use, and this actually opens to the outdoors. If you order room service or something like that and then hop in the shower, they can leave it for you in there. Closet area right here. One thing, when our butler, and the rooms on the club side do include a butler in these rooms. The butlers are on duty from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. There's a steamer. She made sure to point that out. And then some robes and some slippers for use in the room. There's, of course, a safe and just some drawers for storing things. And then if I slide this full-length mirror, a whole other closet area. So a bunch of storage space here at the front of the room. And then we'll come here into the main part of the room, and you may not can see the view yet because of the sun coming in, but I'll get over there in a second. But you've got the main bed area here in the room. This is a king bed in this room. This is a couch, and in the club side, that's the adults only side, it's just a couch. In the family side, they have some of these that are Murphy beds or pull-outs. You've got some outlets here by the bed, and then also this little panel is where you adjust your thermostat. You can turn the lights in the room on and off. There's some reading lights, the ceiling fan. All those things are done there from that panel. And then there is some similar stuff here on the other side, and of course outlets, and then both sides have a little end table with a drawer. So that's the bed area. In the couch area, there's a little sitting area here with a couple of stools if you're going to have room service, and then a little desk area. So plenty of places to sit and hang out in the room. Over here is the little mini bar kitchenette area. You've got some beverages on the top row. You've got the coffee set up here on the counter. There's an espresso machine, a teapot, and then all of the things you need for coffee and tea down in the box. And then in the refrigerator does come stocked, and they'll restock it daily for you. Water, a couple candy bars. They do leave some more water up on the desk for you. But that is the kitchenette mini bar coffee area. So let's go back around the corner. Let's look at the bathroom before we head out to the balcony. In the bathroom, it is an open bathroom into the room area with the sinks and some amenities here. And then you've got a tub on this side with, again, here is some shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and of course the towel rack. Just a really beautiful bathroom here. And then if I open this door, you've got the shower with the rainfall shower head. Plenty of amenities over here. And then a regular wand. And that's the shower room. And then next to the shower room is the restroom. So you've got the restroom and the shower there behind those doors. And then last thing, Not sure how the sound will be if I go outside, and so I will take you out for a little bit of footage in a minute, but there's the view from our beachfront room. We are on the second floor. You can see from those palm trees, it's definitely a red flag day on the beach. Super, super windy. But out here we got a table and chairs. I'm going to go over to this other window, and there is kind of a bed to lay on here. And then a lot of the rooms here have this outdoor jacuzzi. Just a beautiful spot to sit and look out onto the ocean. So let's go outside for just a minute. But I may have to put some music over this because it is super, super windy. Okay, not too awful windy up here on the patio or up on the balcony. Here's the seating area from the outside and the jacuzzi. Just gorgeous, gorgeous view. Again, here the beachfront room at the Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres. So as always, thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching our channel. We so appreciate you being here. If you need any help booking a resort like this beautiful resort, contact one of our agents. Visit us at www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. We've got agents who are experts in this property and so many others. I've actually got a group of about 7 of our agents here with us right now, and they are going to be the experts in helping you plan the perfect all-inclusive vacation here in Cancun or anywhere else. So thanks so much for tuning into the channel. Make sure you subscribe by hitting that button down below. Hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time.